What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Ryan and this is Trucking Vlogs 423. I know I haven't done a video in a while, in a few days, mainly because I was at the house. But I'm back on the road now. I'm in what's this place? Richburg, South Carolina. That's where I'm at right now. I got to go to North Carolina and pick up a load, and we're going to Utah. So there's going to be all kinds of good content coming. So I'll catch y'all in a little while. Well, guys, we are at the shop today, getting a PM done on the truck, getting the oil changed and everything, getting lubed up and everything else. There it is, right there. Going on, you guys? So I was looking at my footage and I realized I didn't make hardly shit for footage. Of course, I've been in back-to-back snowstorms all from out west all the way up into the northeast, and now I'm in Virginia and I'm supposed to go home this weekend. I know I don't post a whole lot just because I don't have time to do a lot of recording and stuff, just every now and then, because it's been pretty much balls to the walls. Like right now, I'm sitting at a Love's truck stop in Meadowview, Virginia. I just got stuck in a real bad snowstorm in the northeast, and they said that, well, from what I've heard, it was record-breaking snowfall, the most snow they've seen in years. And but pretty much, I'm just real busy. I just don't have a whole lot of time to record. Like I said when I did my first video, whenever I have time. I mean, this is the way it is. With moderating on Roland's channel and, you know, seeing his content and stuff like that. And by the time I finally get time to record, it's time to go to sleep. So, and it's been pretty much balls to the walls. Like, you just don't even understand. I have 1 hour and 38 minutes left on my 70. I pick up 6 hours and 24 minutes at midnight, and I got to go from here all the way to Hopewell, Alabama, which by the time I get there, it's going to leave me just a few minutes, and that's it. And then I pick up 7 hours and 24 minutes at midnight tomorrow night, and that should leave me some time so I can get home, hopefully. But yeah, other than that, you know, pretty much that's just pretty much it. I mean, I've just been rolling. Yeah, that's it. I don't have a whole lot of footage, but I promise I'm going to start recording more. I just want to get a better camera. This camera does not, on my phone, this camera on my phone is a pain. And I want to get a laptop and some good editing software. I mean, what I have on my phone is good, but it's just not the same. It's real hard to use this phone to record videos and stuff like that without my phone ringing and interrupting my recording and stuff like that. That's what makes it real hard. And but I'm gonna get a mount to go on my dash so I can record some you know, driving footage, and I can record better footage with my phone mounted on the dash, or my camera, or whatever I get, which is coming. I'm gonna get one. So y'all bear with me. Other than that, that's going to be all for this upload. I'm sorry there hardly isn't anything to upload, so, but forgive me, and it's coming to where it's going to be better, I promise. Well, y'all take it easy. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment, subscribe, and stuff like that, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.